Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Mazda CX-30 Premium in Soul Red with HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjb.com, stock number 90985B.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.